I am a single mom. So if something happens to me, I don't know what happens to her basically. And with the virus, I have to be careful. I can't just put myself at risk because then I also put her at risk. But it's painful right now because she should be going to kindergarten. She should be starting her kindergarten year. She should be having a normal childhood life right now, and she can't. The life that we knew before, we've had to quickly try to adjust and get used to this new norm, which it still feels weird. She still asks, for her friends. She still asks about her teacher. She still asks if she's going to go to normal school. And the other day she expressed hating the coronavirus and wanting to be gone. And I mean, it breaks my heart because she doesn't get it. Like, she gets it, but she doesn't. She's 5. She shouldn't be worried about a virus. She shouldn't be told when we go to the park, oh, you can't play with these kids. You don't know them. We don't know, coronavirus. We don't know what virus they could be carrying, what not. It's hard. Both of us carry Germex because I make her carry a little purse. We practice hand washing because I always tell her, washing your hands is more effective than this Germex, which is true. Wash your hands. It's different now because I would love for her to help me push a buggy or whatever, but I'm having to make sure it's wiped down, or I got a buggy that's been disinfected before I can even consider putting her in it or letting her help me push it. There's just so many little things that have changed with us. Being inside the car, I don't let other people really ride in my car anymore unless they're family. With her, I have to make sure before we leave the house that her mask is inside the car. Because I let her know, if we don't have a mask, we can't go inside the store. We do that because, as I told her, when you practice these safety practices, that lessens the risk of you catching something, and also it helps lessen the risk to other people, because I can't say if I have it or not. You can have COVID-19 and be asymptomatic. And I've had to explain that to her in terms that she could understand. Even though they look healthy, they might have it. And you won't know until you're sick. Or you might be carrying it. We don't know. And it just is weird having to constantly explain it to her. And constantly having to basically coax her into a mask, because sometimes they do hurt behind her ears. She doesn't want to wear the mask all the time. We do end up staying home a lot because I know that she doesn't want to wear her mask all the time. This virus has definitely messed with people mentally, I feel like, more than the physical part of it. Mentally, you're supposed to be strong. You're supposed to be okay with this, but realistically, you're not. Your life is disrupted. Your life is basically forever changed, and you're having to adjust to this new norm that you don't want to be your new norm. And I feel like that's the hardest part. My child is suffering, and I can't do anything about it.